Meaning of dodgem car.
Dodgem car.
Dodgem car.
Dodgem car.
Dodgem car. A dodgem car is a type of amusement park ride that consists of small electric cars driving around in an enclosed area. The cars are designed to bump into one another, creating a fun and chaotic experience for riders. The name dodgem comes from the idea that riders can dodge or avoid collisions with other cars, although in reality the goal is often to make contact and bump into other cars. Dodgem cars have been a popular attraction at amusement parks and fairs around the world for many decades.